Here's my review of the cat feeder. Here, you can fit so much of the dry cat food in this container. I love it because it just kind of goes through this little hole on the bottom. I have Oreo displaying here how this works. But you see that little hole there? It comes out from there. And what I like about this is that usually they would eat this food and in a normal bowl, and they would leave the little crumbs at the bottom because they tend to eat and crunch on the large pieces, and then they have the crumbs that stay on the bottom. But now they pretty much eat what's all in the bowl before more of the larger crunchies fall down into the bowl again. And to fill it up, I will open the top, and the cats cannot open the top, and I will just fill this up again. I have a male cat and a female cat, adult cats, and this could last them 2 weeks. Plus I do feed them wet food in the morning, but this is here for them to graze all day, and this would last 2 weeks. This is my review of my cat water dispenser. I love this little upside down bottle. I actually love the kit here, the set. They're so cute together. The water bottle just sits upside down, and the water comes through that little hole there. This bowl is super easy to clean, and there's no mold that stays inside this bowl. I've owned this for 6 months, and I really do love it. The water here for 2 cats, 2 adult cats and 1 male cat who tends to drink more water than the female cat. This will last me 2 weeks in this dispenser here. So this is actually very easy. You give it a half a twist and you pop that bottle off. It won't spill. It has this little button that pushes down when it is on the unit, and you would just unscrew it and fill it back up, and you just screw that bottle cap on again, and then it just sits right back on, and you just give it a half of a turn and it's secured on there. Here I've just refilled my bottle, and you can see that it's slowly filling up the dish. And it'll stop once the water dish is full.
If you are interested in this product, check out my Amazon link in the description below. Also, like and subscribe if you'd like to see more of these review videos. And also let me know in the comments what videos you would like to see next. Thanks for watching.